Talk Anna.
Podcast.
Adam, something really strange happened at work today.
Really? What happened?
Well, everyone was looking for James.
Okay, where was he?
That's the mystery. One coworker said to the boss,
Yeah?
James has gone to London.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
Wait, but later another coworker said something else.
What did they say?
They said James has been to London.
Exactly.
Wait, exactly? Aren't those exactly the same thing?
Not at all, Anna.
Seriously, they sound identical to me.
They actually tell two completely different stories.
Wow, my mind is already blown.
You're not just learning two words today.
What am I learning then?
You're learning whether someone is still away or has already come back.
Oh, that is a huge difference.
Absolutely. After this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use been and gone in real English conversations.
Please don't tell me this is another confusing grammar lesson.
Relax. Take a deep breath.
Whew, good.
Today, we're learning through one simple story.
I love stories. No grammar books?
0 grammar books, just pure imagination.
Awesome. So what's the story?
Today, we are going to follow James.
Just one person?
Exactly. You'll discover that this one small story can teach you everything.
I like that already. Let's find James.
Okay, let's start with part 1.
I am ready.
Close your eyes for a second, Anna.
Okay, they are closed.
I want you to paint a picture in your mind.
Got it.
Imagine James in his bedroom.
Okay, I see him.
He is packing a big, heavy suitcase.
Folding his shirts, packing his toothbrush.
Exactly. Now he closes the suitcase. Zip!
Zip. He's ready to go.
He walks out the door and gets into a taxi.
Goodbye, James.
The taxi takes him to the airport.
I can hear the airplanes taking off. Whoosh.
Perfect. He gets on a plane and the plane lands in London.
Wow, it's raining in London.
Probably. Now open your eyes.
Okay, I am back in the office.
Right. Your manager walks in.
Oh no, the boss.
The manager looks angry and asks, "Where is James?"
Oh boy.
What do you answer? Remember where he is right now.
Well, James has gone to London.
Yes, exactly.
Really? I got it right?
You nailed it. James has gone to London.
So why gone?
Let me ask you this. Can James answer the office phone right now?
No way. He is miles away.
Exactly. He is not here.
He's probably drinking tea in London right now.
Definitely. So gone means he left and he is still away.
Ah, he went there and he didn't come back yet.
Bingo. Gone equals still away.
That is so easy to visualize.
Right? Let's test it with some real-life situations.
Bring it on.
Imagine you are at my house.
Okay.
You ask me, "Where is your wife?"
Where is she?
She took the car and went to buy groceries. She is not in the house.
Oh, so I say she has gone to the supermarket.
Perfect. Is she in the house?
No, she is still at the store.
Exactly. Now let's try a business trip.
Okay. High-level corporate stuff?
Your top clients took a flight to Paris yesterday.
Bonjour.
Yes, they are still in Paris signing contracts.
Got it.
How do you tell the team about them?
They have gone to Paris.
Excellent. You sound like a native speaker.
Why, thank you. It just makes sense visually.
Let's do one more. Vacation time.
My favorite time.
My parents flew to a beautiful island.
Nice. Drinking coconuts on the beach.
Exactly. They are still there enjoying the sun.
So, my parents have gone on vacation.
Spot on. You are crushing this.
It's all about them not being here.
That is the real secret, the golden rule.
I love golden rules. Lay it on me.
Whenever you hear the words has gone,
Yeah?
ask yourself one incredibly simple question.
What's the question?
Is the person here now?
Is the person here now? Okay.
If the answer is no,
Then it's gone.
exactly. Boom!
Wow, that clears up so much confusion.
It really does. Gone always means still away.
Let me test myself really quick.
Go for it.
If my brother is currently at the gym, he's gone to the gym.
Perfect. Is he home?
No, he's lifting weights. He's not here.
True. What if your friend is at the dentist?
Ouch, she is gone to the dentist.
Excellent, because she is currently sitting in the dentist chair.
Yes, she is definitely not with me right now.
You have completely mastered the first half of the puzzle.
This is actually fun. I can literally see the word gone in my head.
What does it look like?
It looks like an empty chair. The person left it.
That is a brilliant visual metaphor, Anna.
Thank you. An empty chair means they have gone.
Exactly. They are out in the world doing something else.
Traveling, shopping, working, just not here.
Totally. So we solved the mystery of the first coworker.
Right, the one who said James has gone to London.
He was telling the truth. James was sitting in the rain in London.
Poor James. But wait,
What is it?
what about the second coworker?
Ah, the one who said James has been to London.
Yes, if gone means he is still away,
Then what could been possibly mean?
I have a feeling the story is about to change.
Oh, you have no idea. The story is about to take a massive twist.
A plot twist in an English lesson? I'm so ready for this.
Let's jump into part 2 and find out what happened to James.
I am so ready for this plot twist, Adam.
Okay, picture the office again.
I'm picturing it, the empty chair.
Exactly. But fast forward 3 days.
Whoosh, 3 days later.
The office door opens.
Who is it?
It's James.
No way, he's back?
Yes, he's holding a cup of coffee and smiling.
Oh, nice. The rain in London stopped, I guess.
Probably. He sits down at his desk.
His chair isn't empty anymore.
That is the most important part, Anna.
Wait, so he's physically here now?
Absolutely. Now your new coworker walks in.
Okay, the new guy.
He sees James, but he doesn't know him well.
Right.
The new guy asks you, has James ever visited London?
Oh, this is where the second sentence comes in.
You got it. What do you tell him?
I say, James has been to London.
Perfect. Boom.
Wow, it feels so natural when you see the picture.
Right? Let me ask you, is James still in London?
Definitely not. He's drinking coffee right next to me.
Exactly. He is back at work.
So, been means he went there, but he came back.
You are a genius. That is exactly what it means.
He went and he returned, the round trip.
I love that. Gone is a one-way ticket. Been is a round trip.
Oh, write that down. That is the great metaphor.
Ha, you just wrote it in your brain.
True. Let's practice this with some real situations.
Let's do it. Think about international travel.
My dream board. Let's go.
Have you ever eaten authentic pizza in Rome?
Oh, yes. 2 years ago. It was amazing.
So, are you in Italy right now?
No, I am sitting right here with you.
So, how do you say it?
I've been to Italy.
Flawless. You went and you came back.
What about my friend Sarah? She loves sushi.
Did she visit Tokyo?
She did last summer. Now she's back home.
So,
She's been to Japan.
exactly. What about a business trip to New York?
Let's say my team went there for a conference.
And now they're back in the office?
Yep, we've been to New York.
Awesome. Now imagine a beautiful trip to Marrakesh.
Oh, drinking sweet mint tea in the Medina?
My brother did exactly that last month.
Is he still there?
Nope, he is back to reality.
Then he's been to Morocco.
Spot on. You are catching the rhythm perfectly.
It's just so visual. Been is like a stamp in a passport.
Stop. That is brilliant.
Really?
Yes, a passport stamp means you visited, but you're not there forever.
I love that. Gone is an empty chair. Been is a passport stamp.
You should teach this class, Anna.
I just might, but give me the golden rule.
First,
Oh, right, the real secret. For gone, the question was, are they here now?
right. For been, whenever you hear has been,
What do I ask myself?
ask, did the person come back?
Did they come back? Okay,
If the answer is yes,
then it's been.
exactly, boom.
This is so clear. I'm never going to mix them up again.
Let's make absolutely sure in part 3.
The smart comparison. Let's do it.
I'm going to put them side by side. Ready?
Ready.
Sentence A, James has gone to London.
Sentence B, James has been to London.
What is the single biggest difference?
Location, where James is right now.
Exactly.
With gone, he is still in London.
And with been?
He already came back. He is home.
Excellent. Let's look at it like a timeline.
Okay, I am imagining a clock.
It's Monday morning, 9 a.m.
James takes a flight.
You tell the boss, James has gone to London.
Because it's happening now. He's away.
Exactly. Now fast forward to next week.
Monday morning again.
James is sitting next to you.
I tell the new guy, James has been to London.
Same trip, completely different moment.
Wow, the trip never changed.
Right. The only thing that changed is time.
That is the real power here.
Exactly. Before speaking, ask yourself that one simple question.
Is the person still there or already back?
You got it.
Still there means gone.
Back home?
Means been.
Totally. Now, are you ready for a funny challenge?
A challenge? Bring it on.
Welcome to Part 4, the Mistake Lab.
Uh-oh, time to break things.
Let's see what happens when people use the wrong word.
Sounds dangerous.
Imagine you and I are at a party.
Nice, playing some music.
I introduce you to my friend Mark. Mark is standing right next to us.
Hi, Mark.
I point at Mark and say, Mark has gone to Spain.
Wait, what? What's wrong with that?
If he has gone to Spain, how is he standing next to us?
Exactly. It sounds like he is a ghost.
That is so creepy. You should say, Mark has been to Spain.
You fixed it. Let's try another mistake.
Okay, give me another weird one.
You call your sister on her mobile phone. Ring, ring.
Her husband answers and says she has been to the supermarket.
But she's not home yet?
Nope, she's still shopping.
Then he's wrong. That means she went to the store and came back.
Exactly. So what should he say?
He must say she has gone to the supermarket.
Boom, you are a grammar detective now.
Haha, I am. I'm fixing all the broken sentences.
Let's do a rapid-fire, real conversation.
No explanations?
0 explanations, just pure acting.
I'm ready. Let's set the scene.
You are at work. I am looking for James.
Action.
Hey, Anna, have you seen James today?
No, Adam. He's gone to London.
Oh, really? When is he coming back?
Next Thursday.
Okay, fast forward a few days later.
James, you're back.
Yep, I'm back in the office.
How was the trip?
It was amazing. I've been to London and I love the museums.
Oh, nice. Did you bring me a souvenir?
Haha, cut. That was perfect.
See, it just flows naturally in conversation.
Because you aren't thinking about grammar rules.
I'm just thinking about where James is.
That is the whole secret to speaking fluently.
This is brilliant.
Let's do a quick mental summary to lock it in forever.
Locking it in. Give me the summary.
Gone means
Still there. The empty chair.
beautiful. Been means
Went and came back. The passport stamp.
that leads us to the golden sentence of the day.
I love golden sentences. Say it.
Gone means they're still away. Been means they went there and came back.
Gone means they're still away. Been means they went there and came back.
Absolutely perfect.
I feel so confident with this now.
I'm really glad to hear that. You did amazing today.
Thank you, Adam. This was actually really fun.
Now it is time for our listeners to take action.
Oh yes, the homework challenge.
Write your answers in the comments below.
Task number 1. Write a sentence using gone.
Remember the empty chair.
Task number 2. Write a sentence using then.
Remember the passport stamp?
And finally, the ultimate challenge question.
Listen carefully, everyone.
James has been to London.
Here's the question. Is James in London right now? Or is he back home?
Ooh, good question.
Write your answer in the comments and tell us why.
We will be reading and liking all the right answers.
Yes, we will.
This is going to be fun.
If this lesson helped you finally understand been and gone,
Please subscribe to the channel.
exactly. Subscribe for more easy, natural English lessons every single week.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.